Good morning, guys. This is Phon-Er Gold, vlog 152. I'm on my way to WB Studios in Burbank, aka LM Studios. There's a phone that needs to be repaired. It's for one of our staff members, and I'm not sure who it's for yet, but we'll find out soon. I know it's for an iPhone 6s Gold that is all dismantled. The whole frame is all messed up and bad, so we gotta fix that. And also we are going to fix the screen as well because it's cracked with the frame being bent and dismantled. So we'll see how it goes, and we'll show you how it does go down and just the area and how it looks and stuff. So I can give you too much insight, but I can show you the WB Studios around and so you guys can see what's going on in that beautiful studio, WB. So see you guys then. And this is Phon-Er Gold, and hey guys, we just got here. We're right here waiting to go to gate 2 WB Studios. We're on Barham Street, Barham Boulevard actually. But yeah, so we're gonna make a right, and we're gonna have to go through security. And once we get our pass, we're just gonna go straight to the studios. I believe it's Studio 3. Yes, I believe I'm pretty sure I'm right. Okay. Anyway, so I'll be able to show you the studio from outside, but not really inside. But I can also show you what I'm doing there. So, but it's not really a place where you can actually see stuff. But I mean, I can't really record much because it's just beyond the rules and stuff. So, but I'll try my best. 1 second. Beautiful. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good day. You know where you're going, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I've been in a million times. Like everything. Ooh. Okay, so that's the studios. Almost there. We got our pass. And here I may have to just put it down because they're watching, but that's where I'm going, right there in front of us on the left. Right there. So stay straight. You guys, I'll see you back. So guys, we are here. I'm gonna take you inside and then I'll show you the repair. So that's where it is. That's where I'm going. And let's do this. Scissor goes here. Oh my god, so good. Exactly, this is really good. Okay. I mean, I love Fuji Apple. As is, so that
Nice to meet you.
Was she here last year?
Yes.
From the beginning?
Yes.
Oh.
From the very
Why did we not
beginning.
meet? Because I was here the first part as well.
Everybody's still getting to know each other. This guy Rick would wear these sweats, these sweat shorts, with his high shoes.
Hey guys, we just finished those phones. It was 2 phones. It was 1 battery change from my friend Jackie, who's the security manager in WB, and it was just a complimentary change because she takes care of me a lot, so I gotta take care of her as a friend. And then the other one was the iPhone 6s gold screen change, which just smashed up, and we brought it back to life, and everything was beautiful. So right now we are living this beautiful vibed out aura, aka WB Studios, and we're taking off right now. There's some little congestion here, but we'll be able to get through it. That's the studio we're living. Stage 3. You see it. And that's we are right now. We're trying to go through this little process. But I know I was gonna be like, I'm so quiet I can easily kill somebody and not even know about it. So
Maybe a drive-by.
totally, right? Yeah, hit and run. Without even knowing. Hey guys, we are out. Thank you, sir. We are out, guys. We are out of WB Studios. Thank you for watching this Phon-Er Gold, and we'll see you in vlog 153. That was WB Stage 3, Ellen Show, iPhone Repair. That's a wrap.